థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. ఇప్పుడు మా బ్యూటిఫుల్ హీరోయిన్ యుక్తి తరేజ గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం ప్లీజ్.
హలో అందరికీ నమస్తే. I'm standing here on the stage because of my director KK. నాకు ఇప్పటికీ గుర్తుండిపోయే క్యారెక్టర్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇప్పుడు మన మధ్య లేకుండా వెళ్ళిపోయారు, which is very unfortunate. But he once told me that flowers are offered once we are gone, but a kind word once we are still there is far more valuable. I just felt like saying it on this stage. And moving on to all the people who are here, I want to thank everyone. I want to thank my Telugu audience for all the love you guys have been giving me. My very hardworking and handsome co-stars, Dikshit and Shashi, thank you for being so entertaining. And I had a wonderful time working on this film. And this production house, they launched me with the film Rangabali, and this was the second film they immediately gave me after that, and I'm very grateful for that, Sudhakar sir. Thank you so much for believing in me. And all the people who are here on this stage, I want to thank everyone for showing so much support for our film KJQ. Thank you so much. Our film is coming on 7th of August, and please go and watch it. It's a tribute to our director, and we have made this film with so much love and hard work. Thank you so much. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ యుక్తిజీ, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మా మైత్రి రవి గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం.